Why bother with sourdough bread? Sourdough has just 3 ingredients: flour, water, and salt. Supermarket bread, on the other hand, is loaded with preservatives and additives which can irritate your gut. Sourdough causes your blood sugar levels to spike less than regular bread. This means you'll have more stable energy levels. Making your own sourdough is very easy. All you need is an old jam jar and a proofing basket. Mix equal parts of flour and water to your jam jar and leave it uncovered. Natural yeasts will start to colonize and grow, and they need feeding. Each day, discard half the mixture and add new flour and water. Do this for about a week. Now you can use your starter to make delicious sourdough bread. Mix it with flour, water, and salt. Then let it proof in your proofing basket. Fresh, homemade sourdough bread that's great for your gut health.
Visit theguttailor.co.uk to get your proofing basket now.